I don't know what I'm going to do. I just keep soaking a bunch of money into these hinges. None of them are going to work, and I'm never going to financially recover from this. Only if I can figure out a way to make this work. I don't know. I don't know. I purchased this piece probably about 5 to 6 months ago. I started the refinishing process at my old apartment. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage. At that time, when I was doing it, I was not doing anything with YouTube. But you can see there's hardware missing off this piece because I used it for the farmhouse hutch. If you haven't seen that video, go make sure you check it out. But as you can see, the doors are off right now because I can't find any hinges to work. I've ordered numerous hinges, none of them work. Now this project is just collecting dirt and dust. Here you can see the original hinge. That's that H-shaped design, but it kicks out a little bit and goes round over for that front face edges, so it allows that hinge to open and close when you're opening doors. This next hinge, unfortunately, did not work. It's not a front face hinge, which wouldn't be an issue, but the way the door was set up and the design just did not give it any room to get seated properly and wouldn't be able to open or close the door. So unfortunately, I couldn't use it. This next hinge here, unfortunately, you cannot use on all front faces because if it has a round over face like the doors do, it doesn't give enough room to be able to open and close. It just rubs up against the piece and just won't work at all. And I also ordered this one off of Amazon, ran into the same issue. The arch, unfortunately, does not kick out far enough at the correct angle to be able to get seated properly, so it's another hinge wasted at this time. After several hours of looking, I found a H-shaped front face hinge that kicks out far enough. I was happy to finally find it and get it ordered. As you're going to see, it's going to fit wonderful on this piece, but I'm going to have to change all the hardware and knobs to make sure that the style fits together with those hinges. After spending countless time on this piece, I found those correct hinges, but with that being said, the holes did not line up with the holes that were previously drilled in for the old hinges, so I had to fill them up and drill new ones. But after I do that, it's going to fit perfectly and look amazing. Since it's been a while since this piece has been painted and I did a lot of other projects while it sat on the back burner, I was not happy with the way the condition was, so I wanted to give it another facelift and give it an updated paint job. So as you can see, I'm just taping off the top coat. Fortunately, if you don't tape the whole coat off or put something over it, that overspray is going to get on there. You're going to end up redoing the top. Fortunately, I didn't, bore you guys with that footage of me having to sand down the top later on. But just know if you don't cover the whole top, you're going to have issues and you're going to end up having to redo some of the work that you've already done before. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and you found it helpful for having a hinge issue on any type of furniture flip, or if you're installing cabinets or building furniture so you don't run into this issue yourself and waste a lot of money. But if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. And leave a comment below on if you've ever had this issue before.